Hi everyone, welcome back our L3 reviews. Here we have two models, both are released in this year. It is Hubsan Zino 2 and the Fimi X8se 2020. It is latest model on the Fimi brand. It is all white in both color design. For the weight of the Zino 2, it is 915 gram. For the Fimi, it is 765 gram. It is lighter than Zino 2. The spec on these two models is a little bit different. Zino 2 has 4K 60fps video resolution, and for Fimi 2020 it only has 4K 30fps video resolution. Zino 2 has the night mode for video recording, but for the Fimi 2020 it is only available in photo mode for the night shoot. Both battery are intelligent smart battery. For the Zino 2 it is 4S cell, and for the Fimi 2020 it is only 3S cell battery. The maximum flight time on the Zino 2 is 33 minutes. For the Fimi, it is 35 minutes maximum flight time. Both are same maximum range 8 km and the maximum altitude 500 meters. Both also has the intelligent flight mode like waypoint, orbit, smart track, and others. But for Fimi 2020, it has a SAR mode. It's called Search and Rescue. It can be 3 times digital zoom camera. And also the Fimi 2020, the video can be shot in H.265 HEVC code, preserve quality and details while occupying 40% less storage compared to video shot in H.264 AVC. Okay, now we will show you the both photo and the video quality. Let's see. So which of these two models would you choose? Please comment at below. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Goodbye!